Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 2013 Chevrolet Express, side marker, turn signal bulb replacement, access. Just a friction fit tab, spring loaded tab right there. A couple fingers on this side, go into the groove. Voila, just like that. Side marker bulb replacement if you need to, turn signal bulb replacement. There we go. Easy. So if you just take a peek inside here, if you think your van might have it, you can look right in here and see the tab and just push on it with a screwdriver. That'll help. Maybe a screwdriver in here too. 2013 and other model years, possibly GMC, Chevrolet, trucks and vans with this headlight assembly, turn signal assembly setup.